Hello my old school soul food family, Chef Jeffrey back with another video. And today I'm continuing my Christmas dishes, recipes, what I have growing up at Christmas, what maybe you can do for your Christmas. Today I'm doing something that's a staple at Christmas time, even Thanksgiving and all year long, but really at Christmas is old school macaroni salad. I don't know if it's a southern thing or all American thing. Well, I never had a Christmas without macaroni salad. And I do, there's thousands of ways to make macaroni salad, y'all. You can put as much or as less of something in it as you like. So I'm going to be really creative with mine. I'm going to put a little bit more than I normally do, try to make it festive. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get my macaroni cooking here. I'm going to make sure you always salt the water when you make the pasta, so your pasta's already nice and flavorful. I'm gonna fill this up with water here. And we're gonna get this started. And all right, nice. Get this to boiling. Alright. Once this is boiled and cooked, we'll come back and I'll show you the next step. Like I said, let me tell you what I'm gonna put in it before I go off camera here. I got chopped onions. You can use green onion you want to. I'm doing regular white onions, celery, eggs. I got some red bell peppers to make it kind of festive for Christmas. Put a little chopped ham in mine, a little shredded cheddar cheese in mine. Garnish with a little pasta and of course mayonnaise. A little mustard, not much, just a little mustard for tang. Some people use white vinegar, but I'm gonna use just a little mustard, and then I'm gonna use some sweet relish. And that's it. And salt and pepper, of course. And that's it. So we'll come back here when the pasta's ready, and I'm gonna show you how I put this thing together. This is so easy and simple, y'all. Very simple, easy recipe. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we are back. Let me go back to what I did before I left the video. I had sort of a brain cramp. I've been cooking so much lately that I did something y'all ain't supposed to do. And somebody might have noticed this, what I did, but some of y'all didn't. I put my macaroni in the water and then brought it to a boil. That's a big no-no. You're supposed to always I make pasta in my sleep. You're supposed to let the water come to a boil and then add the pasta. But it still came out all right. I just had to watch it a little bit closer. Also, when it came out, make sure you do not drain your pasta. So another thing you do not drain your pasta. You want it to be sticky, and so everything I put in here will cling to it. I always stress that. Even if you're making this macaroni salad or anything else, make sure you do not drain it. Because if you rinse it. Rinse it off. Because if you rinse it, you rinse all the sticky starches off that makes the sauces and things cling to it. So, let's get started here. Like I say, this is an easy salad to do. I got a lot of things I'm going to put in here. We'll start with the onions here. Just regular white onion. You can use red onion. Like I say, y'all can make this your own. Put a little celery in here. I'm trying to make it as colorful as I possibly can. Some bell peppers, red bell peppers in here. Put cheese, put a little cheddar cheese in there. Some ham in there. Some chopped boiled eggs. I left them large chopped. I didn't chop them really small. Okay. Y'all see all that? Okay. Get the camera a little bit closer. Okay. Now to add the mayo here. Like I said, the recipe is in the description of the video. Now, it's the only time you'll see me using real mayonnaise. I love Miracle Whip, but this is not a Miracle Whip thing. And I put just a little mustard in there, just a little for tang. And I'm gonna put some sweet relish in here. Get a spoon for this. Like I say, you can take off or add however you want. I love sweet relish in mine. Now we're just gonna mix this up, y'all. Mix it all up together. I'll probably have to add some more mayonnaise to this. Well, I'll know here in a second. And this is always good the next day. Once all these flavors marry together, definitely good the next day, y'all. Oh yeah. Definitely got to put some salt and pepper in here, definitely. It's coming together, look pretty good here. Okay, now let me put some salt and pepper in here. We're gonna taste it. Like I said, I use salt and white pepper, y'all. We're gonna give it a taste here. Okay, let me give it a taste here and see if it needs more salt and what it needs, more mayonnaise or... Definitely need more salt and pepper. I think I need a little bit more mayonnaise too. The reason is, the mayonnaise I got in here, y'all see later, if you make your own, it's gonna soak into this pasta. Mayonnaise gonna soak into them noodles. That's why you want to kind of make it really wet in the beginning, and so you won't have a dry pasta the next day. If you do, just add some more mayonnaise to it. Okay, let's taste it again here. See what else it needs. Well, let's see here. Let me get a spoon. The spoon here. Oh wow, man. That's so good, y'all. It is good, y'all. Now, at the end, add a little parsley for color. A little festive color in that little parsley there. Just regular chopped Italian parsley, y'all. A little color in there. That's it. Now I'm gonna clean up here. I'm gonna put this in a bowl here. We're gonna come back and we'll close out this video. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back to close the video out. I put the salad in a little bowl here. I'm gonna give it one more taste. And let me tell y'all, once this sits up, the next day, this salad is absolutely awesome. You can do it at Christmas Eve, even a couple of days before Christmas. And let it sit in the fridge. And let all those flavors, mayonnaise, and mustard, all the seasonings, peppers and onions, all that stuff get really, really seasoned in there. It tastes a lot better. This one you can make ahead and it makes even better 2 days ahead. So anyway, another Christmas video ending here. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitch TV, Twitter, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food Day and have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See you in the next video. Love y'all.